Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Memcached on Google Compute Engine, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your Google Cloud Console. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Compute Engine section. Click on VM instances to view your available virtual machine instances. If you don't have a VM instance yet, click the Create Instance button. In the VM configuration, choose the desired machine type and operating system. For this tutorial, we'll proceed with a Debian or Ubuntu distribution. Next, configure the firewall settings to allow traffic on the required ports. Enable the ports for both HTTP and TCP traffic. Review your settings, then click the Create button to launch your VM. After the VM instance is up and running, click on its name to access the details page. From here, copy the external IP address to connect via SSH. Open your terminal and type in the command to connect to your VM. Use the command SSH your username at your external IP. Once connected, update your package list with the command sudo apt-get update. Next, install Memcached using the command sudo apt-get install Memcached. After the installation, verify that Memcached is running with system.status Memcached. By default, Memcached listens on port 11211 and only accepts local connections. To allow external connections, you'll need to modify the Memcached configuration file. Open the configuration file using sudo nano/etc/memcached.conf. Locate the line that begins with L127.0.0.1 and change it to L0.0.0.0. This allows Memcached to accept connections from any IP address. Save the changes and exit the text editor. Restart Memcached to apply the changes with sudo system-restart Memcached. To ensure Memcached is functioning as expected, install the telnet client. Use the command sudo apt-get install telnet. Now, test the connection to your Memcached server using telnet. Type telnet your external IP 11211. If the connection is successful, you will see a prompt indicating that you are connected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.